If UNICEF was not a part of my life, I don't think I was going to be where I am today.
So therefore survive. Me and me pikin.
I was able to stay healthy. I owe this to UNICEF.
My child is HIV negative. He brings so much joy to me.
UNICEF me dio esperanza en poder seguir con mi vida.
You're going to recover from the war and become a child again.
Let her appreciate you. Don't make her be happy.
Me da más confianza al pasar a hablar.
They gave me that environment to be who I needed to be as a child.
It gives you hope that you too can do something with yourself.
I became a mayor.
Saqué lo que más anhelaba, una licenciatura.
I am an author and I'm also a human rights activist.
على طول حلوة. حياة الأولاد الصغار على طول حلوة. وان بي نوس.
Fotógrafo.
مستقبلي كتير حلو.
For every child, hope.
Hope. Hope.
Hope, hope.